In the dynamic world of finance, investment analysts face the constant challenge of absorbing and recalling vast amounts of information. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, from ever-changing market trends and company financials to complex economic indicators and evolving regulatory landscapes. However, the flashcard is a surprisingly simple yet powerful tool that can significantly enhance learning efficiency and information retention for these professionals. The effectiveness of flashcards stems from several vital cognitive principles. First, they leverage active recall, forcing the user to retrieve information from memory, which strengthens neural pathways and makes future recall more accessible and more reliable. Second, when used systematically, flashcards enable spaced repetition, allowing for the review of information at increasing intervals, thus optimizing the learning process and improving long-term retention. Lastly, creating and using flashcards encourages metacognition, prompting self-reflection on what one knows and doesn't know, leading to more targeted and efficient studying. For investment analysts, the applications of flashcards are numerous and varied. Financial ratios can be mastered by creating cards with formulas on one side and their interpretations on the other, facilitating quick assessment of company health during analysis. Complex market terminology can be memorized and understood, ensuring clear communication in reports and meetings. Key metrics of followed companies can be internalized for swift comparisons, while economic indicators, their calculations, and implications for different market sectors can be efficiently learned. Moreover, flashcards can be invaluable for memorizing necessary regulations and their impacts on investment strategies. Investment analysts should consider several implementation strategies to maximize the benefits of flashcards. While physical cards have their merits, digital flashcard apps like the one on the InsightOne platform offer advanced features such as spaced repetition algorithms and cloud syncing across devices. Consistency is crucial, so setting aside regular time for flashcard review, even just 10-15 minutes daily, can yield significant results. It's important to focus on creating high-quality cards with concise, clear information rather than attempting to cover everything. Analysts should also tailor their flashcards to their learning style, potentially including diagrams, mnemonics, or brief case studies if they aid in information retention. Given the dynamic nature of the financial world, regular updates to the flashcard deck are essential, adding new information and retiring outdated cards. In an industry where information is currency, quickly and accurately recalling critical data can provide a significant competitive edge. By incorporating flashcards into their learning routine, investment analysts can enhance their cognitive toolkit, leading to more informed decisions and potentially better investment outcomes. As with any investment strategy, the key to success with flashcards lies in consistency and a long-term perspective. By committing to the flashcard method, analysts can watch their knowledge compound over time, much like a well-managed portfolio. In conclusion, while flashcards might seem like a simple study tool, their impact on learning efficiency and information retention can be profound, especially in the complex and data-driven field of investment analysis. By harnessing the power of active recall, spaced repetition, and metacognition, flashcards offer a high-yield strategy for professional development in finance. As the market never stops evolving, neither should an analyst's approach to learning, and flashcards provide an adaptable, efficient, and effective method to stay ahead in the ever-changing world of investments.